Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the class, my friends. My name is Sofwan Arif Agil, but you can call me Mr. G. So, now let's talk about this topic. Today's topic is, what is it? I want to talk about BILABIAL. It's from the Phonology, and it's a place of articulation, and there are so many manner of articulation and any other else. So, first one, BILABIAL is one of the place of articulation. Huh? What? Sir, what is place of articulation? What is that? Calm down, my students. I will tell you about what is place of articulation. Let's go to the white blackboard and let's change.
So, place of articulation is the where of pronunciation. It is the location of where sounds are produced. In other words, it is what organ you use to produce the sound. I see now. Now you know about place of articulation, let's talk about one of it, and that is bilabial. What is bilabial? Bilabial is a sound that is formed with two lips. So you make this consonant with these two lips of your mouth. B mean two, and labials mean lips. And bilabial is divided by 3 points: plosive, nasal, and approximant.
Huh? Why so hard? What is plosive, nasal, approximant? What is that? My students, it is manner of articulation. Shh! Before you ask, manner of articulation is. Let's go to the chalkboard again.
So, the manner of articulation is the how of making sounds. Still don't understand? Let's check other definition then. Manner of articulation is about how sounds are produced by the articulators. Articulators are the organs in the vocal tract which enable humans being to make sounds. So it's about how you make the sound, how you pronounce and produce it.
So first, we'll talk about plosive. What is plosive, if you ask? Okay, so plosive, how you made the plosive is we build the pressure of air, then release it. This is a sudden burst of air. It's like explosion, no? So you contain air in your mouth first, and then you explode it. You release it with sudden explosion. Puh! Puh! For example of the symbols, it is P. See my mouth. P. P. So you contain the air first, and then you release it with your mouth, with your lips. P. P. For example, pack. Please, purpose, rapper, laptop. The sentence example is, my laptop is being borrowed by that rapper. Please call me back. That is the example of the sentence. Did you get it? So now, repeat after me. Puh. 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 It's easy. It's easy. Pack. Please. It's easy, sir. The next part is B. B. For example, is bag, bless, rub, job, grab. So, the same as P, you use your mouth and explode it. B, B, B. The sentence example is, my bag is being blessed by a pope. That is his job. Okay. Before we enter the other bilabial, we will see about voiced and voiceless. Shh! Don't ask. I will explain it. Okay? So, voiced is a sound that makes your vocal cord vibrate. For example, the B sound. B, B. You can feel it in your neck. I have a neck. Don't tell me not. B, B. So use your hands, touch your neck, and say B, B. You can feel it vibrate. But in our sound, that is voiceless, the vocal tract is not vibrating. For example, with the P sound. P, 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 P. You cannot feel the vibration in your neck. That is why it's called voiceless. So we know that P is voiceless and P is voiced. Any question? I cannot answer you. Okay, let's move on. The next one is nasals. What is nasals? It is how you made nasal sounds. We close our palates and let air stream through the nose. Just let it slip from our nose. The word for bilabial nasal is So close your mouth and then let your voice out without and still close your mouth. You can do it. No, don't. Okay. Like this. The example is man, milk, camera, room, and symphotomimetic. What is the last? The example is a man buy a milk and a camera and bring it into my room. That is the sentence example. Next, let's go to approximant. Approximant is how you made it is we move our mouth constantly from an articulation to a vowel sounds, so you cannot say it without vowel. I can say it. I can say it with a vowel. I cannot trust you. I don't trust you. I've told you, you cannot say it without vowel. You need vowel to help you say this consonant sound. So for bilabial approximants, it is w, w. Well, how you say it is like w. So you move your lips forward first, and then you stretch it out. W, w, w. For the example is wind, war, flower, window, and whatchamacallit. The sentence example is I win this war and give you flower through the window. Then that is for bilabial. So you know there is a bilabial nasal, bilabial approximant, and bilabial plosive. Hope this helps you. And see you next time with Mr. G. Thank you.